tonight's performance was much different than I expected. I thought we were going to play safe. Well, Jimmy, you came out of your comfort zone. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Edgy, daring. For me, that was you showing off tonight. Certainly. Yes, it's a World Bruce Cup, so it didn't need much work, but it needed accurate cooking. The fondant, not easy to get crispy and delicious. And then, the bonbon, absolutely delicious. It was a foodie heaven, done with charm and flair. One piece of criticism is the fact that the sweetbread was slightly undercooked in the centre. I'm looking for one restaurant to go into the final, and it's been a real tough decision.